Today's video is a realistic nap time clean with me. I'm sharing what I do during my daughter's nap to get the house nice and clean and tidied, so that way when she wakes up I can spend lots of time with her. So I hope you're ready. I hope you can get some motivation or inspiration, whatever you need. Let's go ahead and get started. Still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I won't make it easy for you now. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel I do lots of homemaking, cleaning, organizing, decorating, mom life, all that kind of stuff. So if you like those type of videos, I think you'll like it here. But today's video, like I said, is a realistic nap time clean with me. And I feel like as moms, it's hard because you want your house to be clean, but you don't want to spend full nap times just getting things clean, but you also don't want to spend all of your time when your kids are awake cleaning. So I usually just a couple of times a day like to do quick little pickups where I just tidy some things up, and then I'm not cleaning all day, but it's just more realistic for me. So on this day I had a little bit more than normal. I needed to fold this laundry that I had left out overnight from Waverly needing to go to bed, and then I wanted to tackle the floors and mop those because I hadn't in a minute. So just little things, but I find if I just hurry and do it right when she goes to sleep, then I have the rest of the nap just for myself, and I just find it more motivating and I find the nap more relaxing. And then when my daughter wakes up, I can give her my full attention and I'm not feeling like I'm already overwhelmed with needing to get my house cleaned, if that makes sense. So I just made the bed because it was crazy and I tidied up the living room, tackled the laundry, and then we're gonna go ahead and vacuum too today. So the pile of clothes that I just carried into my bedroom are all clothes that need to be either hung up or thrown back into the dryer just to get refreshed. Well, all of them need to go into the dryer to get refreshed, but most of them are like hanging, and so I can't even hang those up if they didn't need refreshed because Waverly was asleep. So I just put them on the bed, and then when she woke up I did that. But now that we have the living room done, I'm going ahead and moving on into the kitchen table. We had a barbecue the day before and I didn't really tidy up after. I just kind of left things. The house wasn't too terrible, so I was like, it's fine. So I just was kind of getting things picked up, and that's why I also wanted to just sweep and mop because we had a lot of people walking in and out because it was really nice, so we were playing outside a lot. To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So I don't know if you've noticed in this video, but I've kind of gone to where I have some parts of it going fast and some parts of it going slow for like the speed of me cleaning. What do you like better? Like the fast-paced cleaning to get that motivation quick, or do you like it more realistic and more in real time? I've been thinking about maybe doing like a realistic clean with me where it's just like full real time of like what I do, like when I pick up or anything like that. So let me know if you're interested in that. And then now I went to Walmart earlier this day and I just got a few things. I started counting macros this week, so I've got a few things to kind of help me with that. And then I got a few new drink packets because I'm obsessed with those. So if you guys have any tips with macros, let me know. I'm just starting out and just kind of getting the hang of things, and I know as I kind of do it more, I'll get more comfortable with tracking it and all of that. But so far I really liked it. It's just you have to, like, it's just a little time consuming, but it isn't too terrible for the most part, so I'm okay with it and I like it so far.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
So if I'm just wanting to do just a quick tidy up, not any extra cleaning or anything, it usually takes me about 15 minutes. But since I was having to fold the laundry, vacuum and mop the floors, and then I also cleaned out the fridge, you're gonna see in a minute, it took me about 35-40 minutes, which isn't terrible. Waverly sleeps for 2 hours, so I still had quite a bit of time for myself then, that I could do whatever I want and just kind of have a moment to myself. So that's why I find if I do it right before, then I can have the maximum amount of time for myself. So now I'm going ahead and going to unload the dishwasher, and I was planning on having that dishwasher unloaded before everyone came, but just we ran out of time and got distracted. So the dishwasher was clean, so we had a whole sink full of dishes. So I knew once I got this loaded, I was pretty much going to have a full dishwasher that I would just need to run it again. So once I got everything unloaded, I then moved on into the fridge area to clean all that out.
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
It had been way too long since I had gotten into the fridge and went through everything, made sure it was all good, there wasn't anything expired, and it cleared up so much space in our fridge, and it's just way less chaotic now. I felt like there was just so many things that get pushed to the back so I don't see them, so they end up just staying in there for a while. For sure, usually like every 2 weeks this happens, but it had been probably over a week since I had even looked at this, and it was time that it got cleaned out, and it feels so much better. I'm glad I tackled that during her nap.
Changing your mind, nah, 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 we ain't got the time. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space, babe. It never worked out with the other. crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God.
It's finally starting to actually be warm here in Idaho. It's a miracle, even though it's supposed to kind of drop and get cold again. I'm enjoying this warm weather. Me and Waverly spend all the time we can outside, so I'm finding our house actually isn't getting as dirty as it usually does because we aren't playing with the toys inside. We're playing outside, and both of us are starting to actually get a little bit of tan, which is crazy because we've only really been outside like a few days. So is it getting warmer where you guys are? Are you guys able to play outside? Is your house staying cleaner because you're able to play outside? Let me know.
You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different.
My face when I was doing this cracks me up. I don't realize I make those faces as much as I do when I'm handling like gross food, but I was not very excited with having to clean that up today, I guess, because my face looks so disgusted, especially as I'm like just wiping down the counter again. I don't know why wiping down the counter I was making that face, but pretty gross looking.
Then you know, baby, nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before.
I feel like definitely during this nap time clean with me, you can see that I'm doing like a couple things at once. Like I never am just like loading the dishwasher. I have to stop and refill the soap dispenser. I have to put away the cleaners, throw stuff in the garbage. Like I'm always constantly doing something and just multitasking it. And honestly, like Waverly loves to help like unload and load the dishwasher, but I make sure like she isn't touching anything she shouldn't, but sometimes it just is more of a pain to have her like try to help, especially when I'm loading the dishwasher, because she doesn't understand that the dishes just stay in there, they don't come out, so it's more of a pain. If you've seen some of my shorts, you've probably noticed that she'll go running off with one and so I have to go chase her. But definitely grateful today that I could just load this by myself and I didn't have any distractions of Waverly and what she was doing with the plates that she ran off with.
Where my heart is, still all that I want is you. Yeah, you'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, I'm weak for you. Yeah,
are just finishing up cleaning up the kitchen area, and then I'm giving the sink a good clean with just my Scrub Daddy and my Dawn Dish Soap Power Wash. I love the Scrub Daddy. I don't know why I didn't get it sooner. I absolutely love it, and I will continue to repurchase it because it's a really nice scrubber compared to like the other ones we have. But now I'm going ahead and moving on into the floors, and I'm just using my stick vacuum today. We're not doing anything too crazy. I had vacuumed before my friends had got there the day before, so the floors really weren't too terrible. It's just more people were walking like in and out, so I just wanted to get them vacuumed up. And then I wasn't really going to do like that thorough of a mop, so I'm just using my Swiffer today. Not doing anything crazy. I do pull out my O-Seeder often, but for just a quick little mop, I just like to use my Swiffer.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. It really means so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you liked today's video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Let me know any other videos you want to see from me, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, you guys.
We'll be